Look, I installed these coils. I'm gonna install this one tomorrow because I know I'd buy one of these in O'Reilly's. One of these tomorrow because it's closed right now. It's 3 a.m., 3:34. Right now, I'm gonna show you the turbo that I want to install on my truck, but I gotta fix that oil leak. I already switched my valve covers, my seal gasket and everything on both sides. I painted those white. I still need to do a little bit. You see that? I still need to clean my truck. Gotta do a little bit cleaning, man. I'm just gonna remove this old filter because I don't really need it no more.